have with us Mayank Sagar Bengani from India. So this will be your personal presentation just for you, sir. It's nice to see you here. And today we have a live webinar of United Financial Group. This is an investment company with a really great future, and we will talk about the product of it. And as you are already with us and you are investor of ours, I would like to start with a good news, if it's possible. Okay. Um, so let's begin. And after, I will try to answer all your questions. All right. So we're gonna talk right now about a product of ours, AstroMelanin. Is that we have it with us for quite time, and you know all about the history of it. We have mentioned it many times before, that its history started with last century in 1966, and today I want to let you know about the developments of AstroMelanin, how it's going. So current situation is such as that we're developing the technology of obtaining water soluble form of melanin, and this is necessary for research on the anti-cancer activity of melanin, the one that is in the east. So preparation for the study of a new batch of melanin obtained in a different way, and preparation for test on anti-cancer activity. And about this, we already have results. So the goal was to obtain and compare the effects on different forms of melanin on cancer cells. And so this what we have done. We have done the trials this week with yet another form of melanin to derive from yeast structure, and the studies were carried out on antioxidant activity of melanin, and the samples were isolated in different way. We mentioned that before, and by method of electron paramagnetic resonance. And this type of activity indirectly indicates oncological resistance of the samples. The higher the antioxidant activity, the higher the toxicity of this compound in relation to the cancer cells. And the best part is such as that the result of the study, it was demonstrated that the instincts melanin isolated by our group of biochemists has one of the highest activity indicators among other fungal samples, and such high data of these indicators give us reason to believe that when we will be testing in vitro for oncology activity, we will get more than a positive result. So this will be happening in December, just in few weeks, and so we will be for sure know that we will have result on cancer, how the cells of it react on cancer, and we really have high indicators of this. So this is also, mind you that this all a preparatory stage for preclinical studies, which make us one step closer for launching the our own production of melanin, and it will be the safe drug that treats oncology. And the best part of it, um, it doesn't have any side effects, as we know, since more than 50 years, not even a single side effect of this drug was found. Why it is necessary for us, why it is so important that this time we have found it? So let me tell you this. We know that we have population that is aging right now, and it will be by 2050, population of age of 65 and above, it will be in quantity of 2.1 billion people. Can you imagine that? So all these people, of course, they need very good health care mostly, and of course they will be interested in contemporary medicine, and it should be natural and it should be safe. So AstroMelanin, the one that I just told you about, it is a safe drug, and it doesn't have any side effect, and it is very effective, which we will be sure very soon in December, and then we will be ready for preclinical trials. Why it is important so much? Look, all the pharmaceutical companies that produce medicine, that produce drugs, uh, and all the companies that invest in them, they found out that cancer immunotherapy, those technologies, cell technologies, and technologies related to genome analysis are the most attractive investment segments. And of course, biotech technology sector is very attractive for other investors as well, from all over the countries, from all over the industries related to the sector, because it is already bringing more than $600 billion per year. We are talking about all sector, not just the um, pharmacology. So at this structure, you can see that the oncology segment takes 11% from all the volume. This is how attractive it is, and company UFG has already prepared a few products and launched them to the market. But this AstroMelanin is going to be a real breakthrough. So, what are our benefits? Let's say that we're launching our product, and we know that cancer drug sales are the most attractive and the most profitable pharmaceutical companies for investors and the buyers and the big companies as well. And for instance, in 2019, according to S&P Global Market Research, Humira, which was manufactured by ABB VI Incorporation, is the leader in global sales with sale of $19.17 billion. These are great, huge numbers. Then Keytruda, also the drug maker Merck and Co., made $11.08 billion. And according to new statistic for 2020, these numbers have increased because of this situation with pandemic, because of the virus conditions. Lots of big companies made really good money because of the situation. So we know that Avastin, the manufacturer of Roche Holding, is worth $7.12 billion. And these are not just a million, there's a billion of dollars. There's a really huge money. So you're one step close to such big investors like Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, and Warren Buffett, who invest in biotechnologies. And for instance, now on the screen, you can see the number. It started from $14 million, almost 15 million. And this is really profitable. For instance, let's say that we were told in back in 90s that, oh, let's invest in the Apple company, and nobody would understand what is this company. But here now we try to find out the best way, best and secure way for our health and for our investment as well. And this is it. This is why we're here. So, for instance, we have these two scenarios. Of course, all the numbers, mind you, they are approximate and shown only as an example. For instance, two scenarios of UFG development. How will our company go and develop for next years? We launch a drug for the treatment of oncology, and it will go on the world market and with sale volume of $8 billion. Why did we took this number? Because average, as we know from statistic, is 10 9, so we took $8 billion because it's worth it. So net profit, for instance, 50%, it makes 4 billion, and which will be $1.6 per one UFG share, that, and provided that all the profit is distributed all over 100% of shares. And then, even if we will reduce this amount by 10 times, we still have great profit from this venture investment, because it will be $18,800 per 1,000 shares. 1,000 shares, $1,000 share package. Sorry. So why do we talk at this number? Why 1,000? This is the most. Um, how shall I say? This package is the most attractive to our investors, and this is the aim for most of them. But once they reach this number, they increase it. Plus, we have very good and profitable um, um, installment plan. I'll mention after. So, with the package for $1,000, you receive $18,800 every year. This is great profit, right? So the other thing is, if there will be merge of the company, and our estimated development, which worth $8 billion, will bring us with the same package, with the same 1,000. We invest $1,000 in this package of shares that company offers us, and company develops and launch the medicine which have no any analogy in the world, which doesn't have any side effects, and it really can cure the cancer. So with this scenario, we have almost $400,000 as a profit. Can you imagine this? $400,000. I like the number. I like the company. I'm proud to be here. So let's go. What other activities do we have? So you know already that we invest and develop a new safe drugs, and it's a for new generation drug. It's absolutely natural. And then also, we invest as a company in IT products and innovative developments, and we develop our own product. This one I want to tell you about. We have our own immune balm called Drusich, and it consists of 14 absolutely amazing, strong herbs that launch your immune system at the white front. We have many cases of people who were sick with the coronavirus, and were using this as a um, with a prophylactic method, and it was really helpful. So um, what else can I say about this is that we sell it on our online store, and people all over the world are buying it, and we know that even to Vietnam, where the delivery takes 1.5 month 1.5 1.5 month, still people purchasing it, because this is really great to feel that you wake up and you don't need coffee, you don't have a headache, you don't feel restless. It's nice when you feel full of energy, and this all gives this balm to you. And we have we have been selling it for the sell and distribute for 1 year already, and we have many great feedbacks on it, which you can see in a YouTube channel, and also you can read all about it in our at our website. So of course, all these products that brings you great health can also bring you good money. And what to do if you're interested in investing with us. Here's some information for you. In total, we have 2.4 billion of shares, 200 million shares kept for the company, 600 million shares allocated for financing, and you are free to buy them. And also there is some bonus shares, some shares for gold and platinum members, and there is almost 1.5 billion as a reserve part. And the rules are such that all 100% sold shares and of course company shares receive the profit from sales of the BALM. And company doesn't touch investors money, company doesn't touch the um, dividends. So because company has its own profit from 200 million shares, and the reserve part of the shares will be used only when it's necessary, when it will be needed to for, when the need for additional funding will arise. So we are now at the investment stage 8. There are a bit more than 40 million shares left to sell. And as you see now, the price with each stage, the price for one share is growing up. And no, but still now you can buy it very cheap. You still can buy it very cheap because one package, $1,000 pack consists 118,000 shares. So this is really profitable. And so there will be only 4 stages left very soon, and you still have time to purchase. You still have time to make a good investment with our company. And this now you can see the packages. These are the packages. Price starts from $500 and then 750 is 100 and 1000, 1.5 thousand, 2000, 3000, 5000, 7,000, no points, 10,000, 20, and $50,000. Plus, we offer you an installment plan up to 20 installments. This only $25 a month. This little you can pay and be part of our great company, part of our UFG family. So if you listened the presentation well, of course you are aiming for $1,000 investment and up, in order of course to have $400,000 when we will succeed. So with $50 a month, $50 investment, uh, with 20 payments of it, you receive 80,000, yes, 80,000 shares. Plus you also have bonus shares, you also have 32 bonus shares. And plus, by the way, company gives you bonus shares part as well. I love our company. You have an installment and you have bonuses, and plus you have here a residual income. If you build your partner network, you can start with the zero and receive with zero investment and receive 10%, no investment required, when you sell the packages and you offer this opportunity to other people, and you see that you receive 10% from their investment. For instance, your network has total of investment of $100,000, and they all made installments, so you can receive what, 2000 or more, $2,000 per month, every month, while everyone everybody who you invited, they making a payment of installments. So then if you are an investor, you have up to 4 levels down of investments, of commissions from investments of your partners, and then up to 21 level deep. Can you imagine on the depth of 21 level can bring you really great income. and you as a platinum member can receive 18%. This is amazing, and this is just your personal invitations, personal invitations. So this way, uh, even the company pays the dividends twice a year. You don't have to wait for 6 months and receive money from the company. Here everything can depend on you. Company pays. We already have received dividends twice, and now the sales is going to start, and sales of the bulb, and then the sales of the drug for oncology treatment as well. So this is all up to you, how much you earn, how much you what is your aim in life. This is what is important. And me, of course, I invite you to start building your great financial future today with us. And of course, you with us, you can restore your health and be happy. Be happy. So in order to become our partner, you need to contact the person who has invited you for this presentation, who has shared this opportunity with you, and then it's easy. Then it's easy. So thank you very much for being with us tonight. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me in or any other or administrator of United Financial Group in Telegram chat, or in here in comments. You can also write it in the chat. So I wish you the great evening, and stay healthy and stay safe. Bye.